Good morning, friends. Myself, Richa. I hope everyone is well in this cold weather. So, today in Richa's Biology CSIR NET Life Sciences Crash Course, I'm going to talk about DNA repair, that is mismatch repair mechanism in E. coli. You can see here mismatch repair. In this, DNA mismatch repair is a system for recognizing and repairing the wrong insertion, deletion, or misincorporation of bases that can arise during DNA replication and recombination, as well as repairing some form of DNA damage. So in this, basically it is strand specific. So you can see here in the old strand, there are two strands. One is old, one is new. In this old strand, you can see it is methylated. And new strand, it is unmethylated, right? So here the mismatch base has come. You can see here. So it will be recognized first by MUTS, M-U-T-S, which binds to the, you can see here, this is S1, right? Which binds to the mismatch base here. This is the mismatch base, followed by MUT-L. Then MUT-L will come, MUT-L. The binding of MUT-L, which in turn will activate MUT-H, which will cleave basically here, which will cleave the unmodified strand here. This is the unmodified strand. The new strand is unmodified. Unmodified means what? It is non-methylated, right? So that's what. Opposite to a site of methylation. So where the methylation is there, so opposite to that, you can see here this mismatch base will be recognized, and that will be removed by this MUT-S, MUT-L, and helicase and exonuclease. So this is S, this one is L, this one is H. So three enzymes will work here. This you have to remember. Then slowly this you can see here, you can see the wrong bases get removed, which will get further be repaired by DNA pollen ligase. So that is how our body will work, right? So in this, basically, if there are some defects in mismatch repair happens in our body, it will lead to colon cancer. Colon cancer, which is also known as like hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer. So that's why this is very important, this repair which happens in our body. It differs in prokaryotes and it will be different in eukaryotes, right? So today I'm going to talk about in E. coli, that is prokaryote, Escherichia coli, that is a prokaryote organism. So first of all, in CSIR NET exam, two things in this you have to remember. First one is the enzyme's name, MUT-S, MUT-L, and MUT-H, along with exonuclease and DNA pollen ligase will work, right? So who will recognize this mismatch based first? That is, will be recognized by MUT-S. Then L and then H will come. This you have to remember. Second point, what you have to remember, mismatch repair systems detects and excise the mismatch bases in newly replicated DNA, which is distinguished from the parent strand. That's one. This blue one is the newly replicated. This black one is the old strand, parental strand. So you can see the new strand, it doesn't have any methylation, as well as parental strand is having methylation. That's why repair systems, it will detect and excise mismatch bases in the new strand because it has not been yet methylated. So before methylation happens, so before that, DNA repair, this mismatch repair will do its function, right? These two things you have to remember: the name of the enzymes and where this mismatch, like new strand, there is no methylation. So here there is, you can see the mismatch base will be removed. Mismatch base will be removed by these enzymes. So that is how this whole mismatch repair E. coli will work. I hope everyone will understand this topic of mismatch repair. So in the next topic, I will teach you about mismatch repair in eukaryotic organisms like yeast, humans, right? So that's it. Thank you. If you like my channel, please like and comment on it. Subscribe it now. Channel name is richa1. Handle is @richa h3k. And this is my logo of the channel. Please pass it on to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.